eyes and beachwear, soft skin and warm air, long nights and clear skies. I'm hers and she's mine. Long days with no cares, all smiles and no tears. I think I'm dreaming, lost in the feeling. Trips without leaving, I touch you softly, or seize the doorknob. I say it softly. I need you, I do. You need me, you say.
I currently have the AMD Ryzen 7 CPU installed into the motherboard. Putting on the mounting brackets for this big ass fan. Oh my god. This Be Quiet cooling fan. But before I do that, I'm trying to figure out which slots to put the RAM into. But I can't fucking find the manual for this motherboard. It's a fucking mess.
She's mine, yeah. I'll find peace next time. I'll find peace next time. She's mine, yeah. I'll find peace next time. She's mine, yeah. She's mine, You left for the summer, I waited for you, I hit you up. You ignore my text, now you mad, but it's cool. Remember the times in the red coupe. Shit, hold up, let me chill before I get your uncles trying to wring my neck too. Your mama never liked me, your dad never met me. Probably a good thing. I'm complex, I'm on they necks.
The power supply cable for the motherboard is just slightly too short. I don't know if you guys can see that guy in the back over here. I gotta plug this guy over here, and I'm pulling it all the way right now. There's no slack in the wire left. So now I need to get an extension cable.
2 days later.
It's here.
I've been dreaming of you daily while I'm working on the vision. Look, every day the same shit. Wake up and gon' get famous, right? But every time I fall in love, it never ends right. Maybe it's the drugs, or maybe I'm just trip on. Maybe I should just go back to where it was since day one. Back to basics, running game like A6. I been said that shit, but man, that shit was really true. Cause these girls on my mind like all the time, it's waste of time. But shit, I love her, so I gotta keep her. Man, I never know if I should.
There we go. Alright, the moment of truth. Will this thing work? Or else this whole goddamn video would have been for no reason. Bro. Oh, thank God. Press the wrong button. Because I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, thank baby Jesus.
This is a world premiere. This is a world premiere.
I done been through a whole lot. Trial, tribulation, but I know God. Satan wanna put me in a bow tie. Pray that the holy water don't go dry, yeah. As I look around me, so many motherfuckers wanna down me, but ain't no me gon' never drown me. In front of a dirty double mirror, they found me, and I love myself.
The world is a ghetto with big guns and dick inside.
I love myself,
but they can do what they want whenever they want. I don't mind.
I love myself.
You said I gotta get up, life is more than suicide.
I love myself.
One day at a time, sun gon' shine.
Everybody looking at you crazy. What you gonna do? Lift up your head and keep moving. Or let the paranoia haunt you. Peace to fashion police, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Let the runway start. You know the miserable do love company. What do you